Hello, welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done another HALO Mini on a 2016 Mini Cooper S manual. Customers paranoid about proximity attacks, so we fitted this system. So how the system works, if I put my foot on the clutch and try and start it, it just won't start, okay? So every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, main ignition on, so yellow and red lights on, insert your code, which we're going to change after the video, and just in here we get a full beam flash, which means authorization has been passed and the system is disarmed. So tap, 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 there's our flash, foot on the clutch, start the vehicle. Really simple and straightforward. Okay, when the customer leaves the vehicle, as soon as they open the door with the ignition off, there's our two flashes, system is now armed. So if I try and start it, it just won't start, okay? See, foot on the clutch, it just won't start. So as I said, every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, main ignition on, insert the code and get the flash, okay? Now say for example, the customer wants to take it in valet mode for a service. The way they would do that is main ignition on, the vehicle cannot be running, so yellow and red lights on, insert your code and hold on the last press for 15 to 20 seconds. So go tap, 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 hold, there's our flash. If you keep watching for about 15 to 20 seconds, then we'll get a 5 flash handshake, and then the system will be fully switched off. So watch, there you go. There's our 5 flashes. So now when I turn off the start button, open the door, no flash, vehicle will just start. You can take it for a service, get it washed, okay? When you get the vehicle back, do exactly the same, main ignition on, vehicle cannot be running, so yellow and red lights on, insert your code, and then hold again on the last press, so tap, 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 hold. Notice we didn't get a flash because it's already in valet mode and it's still covert. So if you keep watching, shortly we will get the flash to say it's coming out of valet mode. There you go. So start button off, it's come out of valet mode, open the door, there's our double flash, system is now armed again, okay? So say finally now you wanted to change the code, the way you would do that is main ignition on, okay? Insert the code to pass authorization, so tap, 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 tap. There's our flash. Now if we tap the accelerator to the floor 10 times, after the 10th time we get a flash, that then says we're in learn mode. We'll insert hard push sequence, and then within 5 seconds, turn off the start button, it will be learned. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There it is. So now we're just going to do tap, 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 and then off. There it is, it's learnt now. So open the door, try and start it, it won't start. So this time let's just try the new code. So we'll try the old code first. So main ignition on, tap, 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 see, no flash, okay? So let's just try the new code. So main ignition on, try the new code, so tap, 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 there's our code, foot on the clutch, start the vehicle. So as I said, this is the HALO Mini fitted to a 2016 Mini Cooper S with proximity key. My name's Otto, company called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 02890604780, 02890604780. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.